Because I watch godam video now. Our video on for now one night work drop room where fear. What if I'm Mutania? Man asking you watch ya can work over like if I'm Mutania. Watch around this video.
King has the supreme power to say that Daniel should not go there. Oh, what he can say, Ambassador Dupite, the president of the country, senior what was the Naka at the tide. Just like as we are praying that Nnamdi Kanu should be released, it is in the hand of the president to say or write and sign anything. Bring him out. They won't tell us that what the governors, what the people are reporting. We don't understand what they are saying.
We want to get one working and one why. But can go out if you get this video. Get your fuma can go out here. I will get a contentable. He got shorter story. He can say that warrior or make you ugly or make you open. Now, Reverend Father came back my senior brother. You could that in a Daniel and your mama king and your authority. A king or your order. Get really happier. Now the king in I cannot the Ranyas and I can be open or be a mess. So if in a cover now, but that's not the president, he release our brother. Now, I tell you that the operation he can need in Aka Jesus. He can't carry an Aka Jesus because no one better and what do you Ebere is not the president. He can get the president. It's not get release here. So president Yekunani Amarani Amabona, one former. Now, what I was going to nani. But I can't try give one night workable back because now Amadikendi, Maazi Nnamdi Kanu binitire whatever you know that. Where maybe I would ever battle you know where Papa nine and the abrofu. Nguabum baka mere phone you na direction of him and all content kun name. That when you have Maazi Nnamdi Kanu. Never na after sumu igba na ebufa onya ngwa mere nke amugi ngwa na ifugo that na nwere onwa Maazi Nnamdi Kanu na agba mbụ ya na obiabago na njedebe ifugo na Biafra enwebego isi na oge erugo ngwa abi Igbo ga-ana nwejeribu oke anyị I change all your content na abuzi release Maazi Nnamdi Kanu na ka mgbe bụ na support release Maazi Nnamdi Kanu ị na-ama every day Nnamdi Kanu ji enwe court Bame day waptagoro nwogi je no iri ebe ahụ. Bame day ngwa bụ Reverend Father came back waptagoro nwogi ma ọ bụ kpọọ member ga ọ bụrụ na ikpọ ha ncha na si na you need 1000 followers isogi wee jeta court. Ama n'ime ya na ndị ga-eso gị je aka na akarị 10 million. Government ya wee fụ that na nwanne nwoke eji mụrụ mmadụ. Ịma mmịa maka ị na-ezi isi gị.